Hi guys, I'm Lonely Qasim. So today we're gonna make meat mince ball and aloo potato, aloo and keema, same like restaurant style, in my style. So guys, we start making. This is 2 kilo mince meat, 1 kilo. This is onions, one garlic, spices, and minced meat, and this is so now this is clay pot. We pour in oil, half cup, 6 tablespoons or five. So so guys, now we put inside 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, zira, then we mixing. And now we adding onions, then we mixing it till brown. So so now this is potatoes. We're gonna peel 4 potatoes, minced meat, and 1 kilo garlic, and as we mixing onion to brown. So now we're adding potato. We already peeled and chopped into little pieces. Big piece is your choice. If you like big piece, you cook big piece. If you like small piece, cook it. So now we're adding garlic, and then we mix. So now we're adding tomato and chili after we mix until tomato melts. 2 tomatoes and chili. If onion is brown, now we added tomato and chili and mix until tomato melts. Very juicy, very nice, very tasty. Okay, so guys, please like, subscribe, share. So now we're adding spices. One tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon, a half teaspoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Then mixing. And we're adding half cup of water. We're mixing. We're mixing still. Tomato melt until tomato melt. So guys, look, tomato is getting melt. We're still mixing. So guys, look, tomato already melt. Oil is coming out. 3 minutes. 3 minutes more mixing. Look, oil is coming out. It looks very nice. So guys, look at the oil coming out. Too much oil. The oil coming out of the masala ready. Then we put in some mince. So this is mince keema we put inside. Look at this, washing very nice. No blood, no chemicals, no anything. Just nice and clean water inside. Then we mixing. We add all masala inside keema, crushing keema. Be very nice spaghetti, my favorite this one. Very nice make keema is my favorite. So now we're mixing. So as we mixing, now we are soon covered. Look, mince is not done. 1% done. So now we're covering until 20 minutes. After 20 minutes later, it's still not done. 80% done. At 20 minutes, but we check every 5 minutes. So now we're gonna add potatoes. Now we're mixing. You comment, please can you comment? I love reading your comment. So now we're cooking for 10 minutes. No, 20 minutes. 10. After 10 minutes later is 90% done. So now we're cooking for 5 minutes. So guys, now it's done. Too much oil coming out. Look, we only put less oil. Look, all the oil is coming out. This means curry done. Looks very tasty. The check potato, look, is done. Yep, it's done. It looks very delicious, very yummy. Please like, subscribe, share with family, friends. Enjoy this lovely food. And I hope you subscribe me. So now we're still mixing. Now we're cooking until 5 minutes. After 5 minutes later, oil is coming out. Good. So now we put in plate with onions. It's very beautiful, very tasty, very nice. It's very tasty. Please like, subscribe, share with your family friends, and please eat a delicious keema. So now we're gonna taste. Very beautiful. My recipe is favorite. So bye guys, bye.